Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Flow. Today we're learning one of the most useful real-life English skills, asking for and giving directions.
Yep. Whether you're traveling, exploring a new city, or just trying to find a building on campus, these phrases will save your life.
Let's start with the basics. Here are simple ways to ask. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to... Do you know where the... Is this the right way to... How far is... from here?
And if you want to sound even more polite, sorry to bother you, but I'm looking for... Would you mind helping me find...
Here are the key words. Left, right, straight ahead, across from, next to, behind, in front of, around the corner, near, far.
Super simple, but super powerful. You'll use these all the time.
Let's practice. If someone asks for a cafe,
You can say, go straight for about 2 blocks. Turn left at the traffic light. It'll be on your right, next to the pharmacy.
or if they ask for a bus station, walk straight until you see the big supermarket. The station is right behind it.
If you're unsure, you can ask, so I go straight and then turn right?
It's next to the bank, right?
And when giving directions, you can say, yeah, that's right. Exactly. You got it.
Landmarks help a lot. Ask things like, is there a big sign? Is it near the park? Should I pass the gas station?
These help you know you're going the right way. Always be friendly at the end. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help. Have a great day.
And if you're giving directions, no problem. Glad to help. Good luck.
That wraps up today's lesson on directions. Easy vocabulary, clear steps, and lots of examples.
Try these in real life, whether you're traveling or helping someone. The more you practice, the more natural you'll sound.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next lesson.